Hey guys, so right now I am riding my bike at my grandma's house. And I'm trying to pay attention so I don't crash, but I'm also trying to pay attention to you guys. So, what we're going to be doing today is riding my bike, look at what my grandma is cooking today, and also just have a day with the fam. So, right now, I am I'm just riding around right now, and also playing, just playing around. Riding my bike, riding every day when I go to my grandma's house. Oh yeah, and this video is sponsored by UFC Sports. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, seen that game yet, you should download it. Because you could go and see what you can unlock players, you can also just do like fights, get leveled up. Right now I'm on level 40, but my character is on level 2. Because I keep moving up when I beat people. And when you beat people, you move up and then you get like these UFC boxes where you get to get all these moves. And then when you fight them, you can just beat them up, knock them out, win a round. And so when you fight them, you get these I'm on level 4. No, I'm actually not on level 40 anymore. I'm past 40. And so, yeah. So this video is brought to you by UFC Fighting. And also, go check out my sister's YouTube channel, Genesis Grigsby. Like it, subscribe, and turn on all those notifications, same as my channel. And I'm trying to beat my sister in videos. I'm trying to beat my sister in subscribers. And I barely have any, so subscribe. And also, if you play basketball, subscribe. And turn on all the notifications. If you just like sports and all, just do what I just said. And so right now I'm going back into my grandma's house because I'm just getting ready. And so I'm trying to beat my sister in subscribers. And also, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And right now, this is just a little bike ride that I'm going on. And also, I would also like everybody to like, subscribe, turn on all notifications, and just have a wonderful day. Okay? And also, you guys can just go to just download that UFC game. Because it's so fun. It's so fun. And when you download it, it's gonna be crazy. But you guys have to download it, and then it's gonna tell you to get 607 files. But it's not gonna take that long. They go pretty fast. Like if you turn off your phone, come to your mom, and you're probably gonna be already to 100, and then you're gonna have 507 more. Yeah. I'm getting tired, guys. And right now, and also check out my TikTok account. My TikTok account is KJ Grigsby, because at school my friends call me KJ, and then on my YouTube channel right now is Christopher Grigsby. All right. So peace. See you later.